Hello friends, I just want to talk about something in a jiffy. I want to just show you how to fix this switch, how to um change the face, this front panel, this front casing. This is the model Cisco 3750G GPOE. So I want to teach you how to fix it, how to remove the front panel, this front panel. If you want to, maybe this one is damaged, how to do that. You don't need to open this, you don't need to be losing all these nuts. You don't need to remove the screws, all these screws around it. You don't need to remove it. All you need to do is just stand it like this. When you look at the back, you can see this place. You always do it from down. That's the back side of it. You always do it from down. So what you do is, you don't do it from up, because when you look at up, you see no there's no space for you to do that. You can do it too, but it's for professionals that care for that. If you don't do it well from the up, but there's a place that's is provided down here, you can do it. Only what you need to do is, you come to this place, just when you push it down, this hook, push it down, you pull it out at the same time. This one also, remove it, remove it. So remove the one from up, the same way you remove the one down. This one here, and this one here again. So what you do is, as you have seen it now, you will see that it has created a space here. There's a space that's created here, which all the hook has been removed. So the only thing you have to do is just to pull it out. Very simple as ABC. So that's just it. So look at the front panel without any damage. You can see there's no single damage. There's no damage on it. If you want to change it, there's no damage on it. You can see. Maybe assuming this switch is bad, and you want to take the front panel of this one, this is the front cover, and put to a one that is working, that has bad front panel. This is how you do it. And another way to fix it is, let me show you something. If you want to fix it, you see the indicator channel. When you don't fix this thing very well, you see the indicator channel will not show here. It will be scattered. It will not be clear when you on it. So let me show you something. Let me just fix it without any carefulness. But first of all, if you want to fix, you have to start from this side to fix it. Make sure this one entered very well. This side entered very well, and this side as well. So I'll fix it. I'll just fix it straight. Let's see something. You see this light is not, it's inside, it's showing inside, it's showing inside. You can see this one is showing inside, this one is showing inside. You can see the indicator is showing inside, and when you take this to a very bright place, you cannot see this very well. So how do you fix this side? I will show you how to do that. Let me remove the power first. Let me remove this place. This is the last place to fix if you want to fix this kind of a thing. So what you do is simple and short. If you want to fix this side, what you do is, when you see that it has entered and there's small space here, See, what you're going to do, the upper side has to enter first. You see how it is? I'm holding the down one open. Then I make this one to touch this place. Then I now gently push this one down. This is very simple. There's nothing much in it. You don't need to open the. You don't need to just if the first one did not work out, you have to try it again. Be very careful. Now it's okay. You can see this one is very clear now. It's blinking very clear. So whenever you are fixing this one, you have to be careful with this side. You make sure that the first up entered first, so that this light will align before they push down the downside of it. So thank you. This is all I have for this video. Thank you. If you're new to the channel, you can subscribe, so that when I post another video, you can see it.